Welcome to Puddles newsletter. I'm the editor, Thomas Holliday. The date is May 2nd, 2023. Title of today's talk: Is climate change at fault for bad weather? Annie Gray's article in Environmental Magazine, April 7th, 2023, brings to mind all the problems of the climate today. Her thesis is examination of the cause of the violence of today's weather and how to trace it to changes in climate. Let's review the status of our planet's climate. First of all, how do we get our season, which give us our basic climate of summer and winter? Eons ago, when the Earth was forming from a molten mass, as the solar system took shape, the Earth lost a chunk of mass, which went on to circle the planet as the moon. From that time, the loss of the moon weight made the Earth tilt. As it tilted, the rays from the sun struck the Earth at different times, forming the seasons of hot and cold weather. We then had the periods of hot and cold, which made up continuing ice ages and hot climates. Most of this was related to the amount of CO2 gas which formed in the atmosphere in different seasons. We then had the periods of hot and cold, which made up continuing ice ages and hot climates based on this CO2. A Russian scientist, Milankovitch, formed the timing of the cycles, which are named after him, which illustrate the climate changes over the history of this planet. Ice ages, which certainly affect climate, can be caused by the Earth's variation in distance from the sun. Volcanoes can add CO2 to the atmosphere, which warms the climate. Extreme event attribution is the science of determining how much global warmings cause extreme weather. Climate studies are done by comparing polluted air with clean air with regard to the effect on the atmosphere of storms. This is supposed to compare the effect of storms on climate. Another test is to compare the effect of polluted air and the rise of storms. So far, nothing is conclusive, only likely. So, is there one option? We could compare the position of the loss of the moon in the Earth's arrangement and its tilt in causing climate change. What do you think? Check out our solar sipper water station, which uses natural air to keep water warm or cold when providing animals, backyard animals and birds, water in all seasons. Check it out on tomah at solarsippers.com. Also, you'll see information about our cartoon t-shirts, which we have made for us with Holiday's cartoons. Our books are listed on Amazon, and again, the Solar Sipper, which is designed to use solar power and insulation to keep your water naturally prepared for animals. Thank you. Look for our next review.